Lesleyanne here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you've just found me for the very first time, then welcome. I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do a little review on this particular face mask. So this is from Poundland, and my daughter Hannah gave it to me as part of my Mother's Day present. Okay, so what it says, our rich, thick blend of brilliance is all you avo, because it's avocado, wanted in a face mask, enriched with avocado, oats, aloe vera and vitamin A and vitamin E to exfoliate, moisturise and nourish your skin. Apply a generous layer to a freshly cleansed face and sit back and relax. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry to the touch. Splash your face with warm water and gently massage in circular motions to let the oats get to work. Gently exfoliate your skin and then rinse off. We recommend using this weekly, however you can use as often as your skin requires. So do I use the whole lot? I probably will. I don't think I'd risk leaving it like open. So once again, there's the mask, and let's open it. Right, I'm going to move my mirror here next to me, so there we go, so I can sort of go between you and my mirror to make sure I'm applying it properly. I'm going to go in with this little brush. Smells nice. It smells, weirdly, actually I suppose it does have a little bit of a hint of avocado, which is what you'd expect, but I can smell cucumber and there isn't any cucumber in there, but probably that's just the avocado that I'm smelling. Ooh, lovely and cool. I'm going to give this 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back. See you in a minute. Literally a few seconds. The time's up, so yeah, I've been sat here for 15 minutes and still a little bit damp in some places, but I'm just going to go and take it off now. What it said was to splash warm water, give it a little bit of a massage onto your face for the exfoliation to work and then rinse off. So I'm going to put a flannel in there as well so I can... Oh, you know earlier I was saying I couldn't feel any of like the little oaty bits. I can now. Isn't that weird? Yeah, I can. They're quite smooth. There's not a lot in there, but I can definitely feel something. Oh. There we go. There we go, all done. There we are then guys, look, it feels lovely. Very soft, very hydrating, definitely feels as though it's been exfoliated. I'm going to quickly just put on some moisturiser now. I'm just going to go in with one of my Declear oils actually, because I will still probably want to do my, well I will still want to do my nighttime routine a bit later on, and it's early at the moment, so just gonna put this on. And what I'll do is I'll try to find out if this can go into the fridge. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for now anyway, and I'll pop it down in the comments, okay? So thank you so much for watching. What do you think? I think it's lovely, well worth £1. Well, if I can get a couple out of that, That's 50p a shot, isn't it? So yeah, loving it. Thank you, Hannah. Yeah, if you've loved this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press that notification bell for more uploads, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys, bye for now.